Jerry Orbos, SBD. At sa pamamagitan po nitong CBCP online, ay sana po madaman ninyo ang pagmamahal ng Diyos sama po kayo naroon sa mga sandaling ito. Mga kapatid, alam po nyo itong Semana Santa, the greatest story ever told. Love story. Yun lang po. God so loved the world, He sent His only Son. At hindi lang po yun, His only Son suffered and died for each one of us. Mahal tayo ng Panginoon. Mahal ka ng Diyos. Maging sino ka man. Kahit ikaw ay bad boy, maging puso mo'y sinungaling, paminsan-minsan. Habang may buhay, ikaw lamang ngayon at kailanman. And please be careful with your heart. Please remember, mahal tayo ng Panginoon. Napaganda pong alalahanin. God sees your efforts, not your faults. And God sees your goodness, not your weakness. Kung tinitignan na po tayo ng Panginoon, He covers one eye para hindi na lang niya makita yung mga kasalanan natin. At lahat po tayo ay makasalanan. Ang problema natin, we don't cover only one eye when we look at each other. Mayroon pa tayong magnifying glass para makita lang natin mga faults ng iba at gumagawa tayo ng faults ng iba. So, I would like to say, lahat po tayo may dinadaan ng problema. Could be relationships, could be karamdaman, it could be hirap ng buhay. Whatever, yung problem, let's focus today how to handle problems at sana yung problems will help us grow and move on. So, how do you handle problems? Whenever we have any problem of any sort, pray. Dasal lang. Dasal lang, kung pwedeng lumuhod ka, lumuhod ka. So whenever we have problems, pray. At letter R, kung may problema tayo, reach out. Kasi mga iba, pag may problema, magmumukmuk na. Parang, hindi na, bahala nang let the world go by. Hindi po. Reach out to God in prayer and reach out to people. And you realize, may mga taong mas mabibigat pa ang problema niya kaysa sa'yo. Reach out. Don't dig in. Reach out. Oh, whenever we have problems, obey. In the first place, nagkakaroon ng problema because somebody or you disobeyed. So go back. Sundan muli. Sumunod ka ulit. Back to basics. Obey. And a lot of the problems will just disappear. Believe. Believe in God who loves you. And believe in yourself, in your goodness. Magtiwala ka ulit sa sarili mo. And believe in the goodness of people. You must trust and believe. Napaka-importante po yan. L, whenever we have problems, love. Just love. Sabi nga ako ng iba, Father, paano ba kung anong gagawin kung naglalove tapos wala pa rin? Double the dosage. Dagdagan mo pa ang pagmamahal mo. And a lot of our problems disappear or nagiging mas, you go to a new level. Ika nga, love. Don't stop loving. And E, whenever we have problems, it's a time to evolve. Baka God is calling you to go beyond your comfort zones. Dati yung pananaw mo ganito lang. But problems make you see, oh nga pala, no, mas malawak pa pala. There are other ways of looking at things, looking at people. Nag-evolve ka. God is calling you to become better, not to become bitter. Ika nga. Evolve. There must be, these are moments of growth, ika nga. So, M, whenever may problema tayo, move on. Huwag kang may-stuck dyan na hanggang dito na lang, wala na talaga. No, you have to move on. Sabi nga ako nila kung may pinagdadaanan kang problema, daanan mo lang. You're not supposed to be stuck. You're not supposed to be imprisoned. God's love and goodness is greater. Move on. And S, ito po ang tawag, may mga problema po tayo, whatever na hinaharap natin. Sacrifice. That sense of sacrifice. Maybe you give up something or someone, sacrifice. And you move on. Ano mang sakripisyong iniaalay natin kay Lord will bring so much benefits for you and for your loved ones. So, yun po ang message ko. We all have problems. Ngayong Semana Santa, mag-isip-isip po tayo, magnilay-nilay. Let's put our problems to the Lord. Surrender them. And God sees everything. God knows everything, mga kapatid. So, yun po, in your problems, pray, reach out, obey, believe, love, evolve, move on, and sacrifice. Mahal po tayo ng Panginoon. God so loved the world, He gave His only Son. And this only Son, Jesus, suffered so much for you and for me. Died for you and for me. Rose again for you and for me. Sisters and brothers, life is short. Sandali lang ang buhay. And death is certain. So two things are in order. If life is short, number one, do not postpone your conversion. Huwag mo nang ipagpalipas ang pagpaliban ng iyong pagbabago. This very moment, just tell the Lord, bow your head. Panginoon, patawarin po niyo ako. Have mercy on me, O God. I am a sinner. Kailangan kita, Panginoon. Kailangan ka namin, Panginoon. Make that sincere prayer and go back to the Lord and have peace. And if life is short, mga kapatid, do not postpone your loving appreciation of people, gratitude to people. Wag po. If you can do it right now, kung may mga kasama ka dyan, just say to them, thank you, sorry, or whatever. Pick up that phone, or pick up that cell phone and text or email, just to tell people how much you love them. Life is short. At yun po, ang last wish ng ating Panginoon. Love one another as I have loved you. Sa mga nakikinig ngayon, kung may kasama ka sa, wherever you are, medyo pinahan mo nga ng tingin yung katabi mo dyan. Palagay mo kaya, makakaakyat sa langit yan. Anong ramdam mo? Anong feel mo? May pag-asa kaya yung makaakyat sa langit yan? O, sana naman po. Sana naman po. That's our wish after all. Paano lang po? Our final destination is to go to heaven. Anong silbi makuha mo ang buong mundo, mawala mo yung kaluluwa? So let's make a simple act of faith wherever you are right now. Pwede bang kamayan mo yung katabi mo at sabihin mo sa kanya, see you in heaven. Promise. Yan. Let's all make that promise. Someday, to see each other in heaven. Yeah? Not so soon, not so soon. Kasi, mayroon pa akong mission. There you go. We're still alive because we still have a mission in life. Ang problema po, marami sa atin, hindi na makita yung mission, hindi magampanan yung mission. You know why? Hindi mo makita yung mission mo. Kasi hindi mission ang tinitignan mo, kundi commission. Pera-pera na lang lahat pa ang buhay. Parang yan na lang ba ang ating pinag-aawayan palagi? Pinagkakabalahan? Do not destroy your soul just because of money. Mga iba naman po, hindi makita yung mission kasi nakafocus palagi sa sariling konsumisyon. Mga problema, mga paghihirap, mga love life. Diyos ko, love life ka ng love life. Ang daming taong naghihirap, panay ka lang yung mga sarili mong problema lang. No. Marami po kayong magagawa. Okay? At mga iba po sa atin, hindi makita yung mission kasi marami pa tayong mga intermission sa buhay. Mga bisyo, mga luho natin. Di po ba? Alag, babae, sukal. Iba naman dyan, chismosa, bungangera, nagar pa. O, ABS-CBN daw yun na. Okay, mga kapatid, alam na po natin. So, my prayer for all of us, ito po, Lord, help me to live the rest of my life, the best of my life. From now on, Lord, help me to live the rest of my life, the best of my life. In gratitude sa ating Panginoon who suffered so much, who died and rose again for you and for me. Ito po si Father Jerry Orbos. Muli po, salamat po.